when I was a kid, I went to a dentist who was, he almost felt aggressive. He was very, very dry, and even though it was supposed to be a children's dentist with little trains running around the room and things like that, he almost was scary. His manner, he was very, very blunt. And so that kind of instilled a fear in me from a young age of dentists. And then when I hit my adult age and I no longer had insurance for a while, I kind of just got away from it. And the dentist was more like I went to the dentist when something was wrong, as opposed to, the regular oral health care. I waited until something's hurting so bad I need to go. And then I'd find whatever dentist I could go once, get that issue taken care of, and never see them again. It wasn't until I kind of matured, actually, if I'm honest, until I got married and my wife said, you need to start getting this kind of stuff in order. I decided that I needed to find a permanent dentist, somebody who I could work with long term. And then it was just a matter of finding a dentist that wasn't intimidating. I went to one for a little while that still kind of had that same demeanor. Very, very blunt, very direct, almost made you feel bad about the fact that I hadn't taken care of my teeth. And I didn't want to feel insulted. I didn't want to feel talked down to. I knew that it was in bad shape and that I needed help. That's why I was there. And so he really wasn't for me. But when I came here, I never felt that once. Dr. Gentner has always been very positive. All of her staff are very positive about the options, the treatment that I would need, that it was doable, that it didn't seem like a mountain I couldn't climb or we couldn't climb together. Yeah, I would say in my 20s, I honestly believed that I was just going to be a early dentures person. I grew up with two grandparents who, of course, 60 years ago, they both had dentures by their 30s, and that was, of course, more typical back then. But in my mind, somehow I thought, well, I'm just going to be one of those people, almost as if that was normal in the modern day and age. Like I said, I had just given up. I really had given up on my mouth until I came here. And then once I met Dr. Gentner and her team, and I realized that it was something that could be done, it's brightened my day. It makes me feel like I can smile again. And just, even though I know I'm not there yet, I believe that I will be. So I just constantly remember that there's a goal and that we're going to get there.